Hello dear students, welcome to economics class for grade +1. Today we are going to discuss the conclusion of chapter 4th, Consumer Equilibrium by an IC analysis. Dear students, till now we have discussed two of our concepts in detail, that was indifference curve and budget line. Indifference curve is convex to the origin and its slope is measured by delta y upon delta x, that is loss upon gain. And the formula is written over here and is termed as MRS. In case of budget line, in the previous video we have done that budget line is downward sloping straight line and is termed as price line also, and their formula is the slope of budget line is again change in y upon change in x, and it is also termed as equal to price line, that is written as px upon py, that is price of good x and price of good y, and this ratio we have calculated earlier, it is equal to 2:1. So now we are going to just join these two components to get the consumer equilibrium. And here we have two conditions that should be satisfied to get the equilibrium situation of the consumer. The very first condition is that slope of IC curve should be equal to slope of budget line. Slope of IC is denoted by MRS and slope of budget line is indicated by Px upon Py. So here these both slopes should be equal to each other. So we can say that MRS should be equal to Px upon Py. And the second condition for the same is that at the point of equilibrium, IC should be convex to the origin. And these conditions are satisfied in our figure. We can show that. Let's come to the figure now. In the graph, we have plot good y on y-axis and good x on x-axis. We have drawn AB, downward sloping budget line, and IC, indifference curve. And here at the point of E, which is termed as point of equilibrium, IC is touching price line at point E. This is called the point of tangency because at this point IC curve is touching the price line at a one point only, and this is called the point of equilibrium. And at this point of equilibrium, consumer is getting OM quantity of good Y and ON quantity of good X and achieving the equilibrium and feeling satisfied by spending his income in a manner that both the goods are purchased by the consumer. So after consumption, after purchasing, these goods are consumed by the consumer. So that is called the consumer equilibrium by IC analysis. It indicates that when consumer purchase mn quantity of good x and good y, he is in equilibrium situation because he is getting satisfaction at this level because IC is tangent to the budget line. So these two components provide the Hicksian approach by which consumer is getting maximum satisfaction by spending his income according to the market prices of the good. Dear students, revise the topic and prepare your notes. Thank you.